Hi, my name is Delaney Ball, and today we will be replacing the front wheel on the RZR MX650. This is an easy process. It will take about 10 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools: a 14mm open end wrench and a 17mm open end wrench. This process can be completed in 2 easy steps. Step 1, remove the front wheel, and step 2, install your new front wheel. Now on to step 1, removing the front wheel. Before you begin working on any electric product, make sure you turn it off. We're going to flip the bike over to make it easier to work on. There is a nut that secures the axle to the wheel. Using your 2 open end wrenches, loosen the axle. Secure the axle from one side while you loosen from the other. The axle has 2 different sizes on it. One side uses the 14 and the other side uses the 17. Remove the nut, followed by the washer, and set them aside somewhere safe. Now we can slide out the axle. Simply pull it straight out. Once you remove the axle, the spacers next to the wheel will also fall out. Set the axle and spacers somewhere safe. With the wheel out, that concludes step 1, removing the front wheel. Now on to step 2, installing your new front wheel. We're going to start with the axle first and sliding it in, followed by the spacer with the thicker part facing outside. We're just putting the axle in a little bit to get it started so that we still have room for the wheel. Now we can slide the wheel in. Make sure that the brake goes into the caliper. Now line up the axle with the hole in the wheel. Now slide the axle through the wheel and place on the other spacer. It might be a little bit tricky to get everything lined up, so just be patient. And push to slide the axle all the way through. With the axle back into place, let's put on the washer followed by the nut. Using our 2 wrenches, let's tighten it back up. Secure from one side and tighten from the other. That concludes step 2, and the process of installing our new front wheel on the RZR MX650. If you are still having troubles, you can contact customer support at RZR.com. Once again, my name is Delaney, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through this process.